I discovered something big, a brand new type of content no one else is making. I tested it in secret to see if I could hit 100,000 views in just 7 days. But guess what? I didn't get 100K views. I got 5 times more. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it. If you start using this method right away, you'll have a massive advantage. Here's the secret. I mixed 2 already viral niches, history plus dark motivation, to create something totally new. Most channels talk about old crowded niches, but this is fresh. And I'm sharing it with you because that's what this channel is all about. Don't just take my word for it. Let me show you a video I made with this method. Your turn to try it starts now.
What if I told you that one man changed the course of history? Not with brute force, but with words. With manipulation so precise, it cracked the foundation of an entire empire. This is the story of Vladimir Lenin, the mastermind who used dark psychology and power dynamics to ignite the Russian Revolution. Russia in the early 1900s was a boiling cauldron of unrest. The people were starving, the elite were feasting, and resentment.
So first and foremost, we need a script. I know writing or finding a script can be a very hectic and mind-boggling task, but don't worry, I found a solution. First, we need to visit ChatGPT and enter this prompt. I'm going to combine dark psychology motivation niche with history niche. Then I asked for specific examples, and ChatGPT listed 20 historical figures who used these strategies, people like Genghis Khan and Napoleon Bonaparte. Then, we'll enter this prompt to get specific ideas. Finally, we'll enter this last prompt to get a proper long story script. Look how ChatGPT has generated an amazing script. After the script, we move on to voiceover, but before that, if you're watching this video, I've hidden a secret that's very important for running a faceless channel. So, don't miss any step in this video, or you'll miss the secret. Moving on to voiceover, I use 11 Labs, which provides thousands of quality voices that work professionally. You just need to choose a voice that suits your story. I'm using Adam's voice. Next, copy your script and paste it here. Then click the Generate button. This will generate your voiceover. Now that we have our script and voiceover, we need to create visuals for our story. For this, I have a secret tool that will amaze you and speed up your video making process. I'm talking about SkyReels AI. SkyReels AI is a text-to-image and image-to-video generator tool that produces high-quality work. Let's try it out. First, we need to create prompts for each scene. Go back to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. This will generate prompts for each scene, making your story more realistic. Next, copy each prompt one by one and paste it into SkyReels' image generation section. Leave the reference image section as is, choose the image style, select the ratio, and click the Generate button. You'll be amazed at how quickly SkyReels generates amazing images. Check out the amazing result which SkyReels gave us. Now, we need to convert these images into a video to make our story more engaging. To do this, simply select the image and click the Image to Video button. At first, it will ask you to adjust the size of the image. If you want to add any specific prompt for your image animation, then you can paste it here, otherwise leave it empty. Select the video duration and click Generate. After a short wait, your image will be converted into a stunning video. Perfect. Repeat this process by copying each prompt pasting it into SkyReels, generating the image, and then converting it into a video. Download each video, and you're done. Now it's time to edit them and produce the final output. For this process, I'm going to use CapCut. Once you open your project, make sure to select the 16:9 ratio as the size of the video. Then, import all the voiceovers and video clips into the project. Let's start by adding the voiceovers to the timeline. After that, simply place the video clips in the appropriate spots. It's not complicated. Now that all the video clips are added to the timeline, let's enhance the flow by adding transitions. Go to the Transitions section at the top and apply suitable transitions where needed. It's a straightforward process. Once transitions are in place, we need to add captions to the video. Go to the text option in the top menu and select the Auto Caption feature. This feature automatically generates captions in just a few seconds. To make the captions more visible, we can enhance them by adjusting the size and changing the font. If you scroll down, you can also apply text effects. To explore more text styles, go to the Effects section in the top menu, where you'll find various text templates. I'm going with a red color template for this video. After that, head to the Animation section and select the Caption Animation option to add some dynamic effects to the subtitles. Finally, add background music to the timeline and adjust the volume to balance the audio. And that's it. Your video is ready.
What if I told you that one man changed the course of history? Not with brute force, but with words. With manipulation so precise, it cracked the foundation of an entire empire. This is the story of Vladimir Lenin, the mastermind who used dark psychology and power dynamics to ignite the Russian Revolution. Russia in the early 1900s was a boiling cauldron of unrest. The people were starving, the elite were feasting, and resentment simmered beneath the surface like a dormant volcano. Lenin saw not just a crisis, but an opportunity. But how do you topple a centuries-old monarchy without lifting a sword? Lenin knew the answer: control the mind, and the body will follow. First, he tapped into the power of resentment. He understood the psychology of the oppressed, the way suffering warps into rage. In his speeches and writings, he painted the Tsar as the villain, but he didn't stop there. Lenin positioned himself as the voice of the people. He wasn't just another revolutionary. He was the savior, the one who felt their pain. It was a classic psychological technique, mirroring. By reflecting the anger of the masses, he made them believe he was one of them. But words alone weren't enough. Lenin needed a promise, something simple, something powerful. Bread, peace, and land. 3 words that fed the hungry, promised peace to the war-weary and land to the landless. A slogan designed not to inform, but to persuade. And persuade, he did. Lenin understood the power.
Now, let's talk about the secret I mentioned earlier in this video. To run any faceless channel, you need a character that represents your channel's identity. You can either use a random character as your channel's avatar, or create an avatar from your own image to run the channel. Now, I'm going to show you how you can create your own character within seconds and make it say whatever you want. First, go to SkyReels. Upload an image of any character to the lip sync feature. If you have your own voiceover, you can upload it, but if not, simply paste your text here. Then, choose a suitable voice from the available options and click the Generate button. You'll be amazed to see how Skyreels creates a realistic character with perfect lip sync. Look at this incredible character we just created.
Hi, welcome back to my channel Learning Hub. I'm Josh, and today in this video, I will show you how to make AI avatar like me. So watch complete video, and don't forget to like this video.
This way, you can create an impressive character for your channel. That was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel.